Step number 1. Take your phone and go to Google Play Store. Step number 2. Get this app for free. And step number 3. You've just made $600 with no selling, no video, no referrals, no website, and no complicated setup. This is a very quick and simple process that will take you around 3 to 5 minutes from start to finish. And it doesn't really matter where you're from because it is available all around the world. If you have a mobile phone, you can start earning $600 right now. But beware, most beginners make a few critical mistakes and as a result, they fail to make any money or worse, fail to withdraw their earnings. And I'll show you how to prevent them. In addition, I will tell you a couple of highly special ways to double your earnings so you can make more money than individuals who didn't watch the entire video. Now let's pretend you earn $100. You can change it into $200 effectively, doubling your money so you don't wait any longer. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Fope.com is the first app where you may generate money online right now. This is an app that has a massive library with millions of various high-quality photos, and there are basically two categories of individuals who use it. The first group of people and folks are those who are looking to buy different photos, and every single day, there are hundreds of thousands of people who are shopping around on Fope looking for different photos to purchase. And the second group of people are those who are selling their photos. And this is exactly how you can make money on this app. You won't have to take photos of yourself, and you won't need any graphic skills. You won't have to be on camera either. And especially, you won't need any technical knowledge. I'll show you a few secret websites where you can literally find a lot done for you and totally automated photos that you can re-upload and post on Fope in a matter of seconds. And you may be making your first $100 up to $300 before the end of this video. So, when you go to Fope.com's homepage, you want to click for creators. And then I want you to click on sell your content, which will take you to this page. And you can see here, if you want to make some additional money with your videos and photos, you may download the Fope app as well for iOS or Android. Now with that being said, if you have an Android phone, search for Fope in the Google Play Store and make sure you download the correct app with this logo. If you have an iPhone, you can also download the Fope app for free from the App Store. So right now, I will be showing you the full library of Fope's website. As you can see, there are a lot of high-quality images for sale and individuals are making a lot of money, and one of the things I enjoy about Fope is that it provides you with passive income. You can still collect your commission from this website if you upload images on this platform next week, next month, next year, or even 5 years from now. Every month, millions upon millions of visitors come to the site to look for different photos to buy, and they do so. Again, you don't need design skills or take any of your own images. At the end of this video, I will show you something amazing, so don't miss out. So let's say this is one of the images that people are selling on this website. Typically, they will charge this much for each photo. Right now, you might be wondering how much money you can make from this website. Now basically, they will split the profit 50-50, so 50% will go to Fope and 50% will go to your account. They're taking half of the profit because they'll sell the images for you automatically. And because Fope is a well-established website that works with a lot of big businesses and receives millions of visits, they'll automatically assist you in marketing and selling different photographs that you uploaded on their site. So, you don't have to do any of the hard work yourself. All you have to do is copy and paste photographs onto this platform and you will be able to earn money passively every single day. Now let me show you something incredibly cool about this website. In addition to selling images, you can also participate in other tasks. This mission can be found right here with this amount of money as a reward. And there are multiple missions every week where you may just upload different images based on the topic that they provided. You have a chance to win extra cash on this website if you submit different images for different missions. Now keep watching because towards the end of this video, I'll show you a couple of places where you can find done for you super high quality photographs that you can copy and paste and use to make money on Foap. I'd like to show you another app that you can download for free and use to generate money. Before I show you the secret website, simply go to Shutterstock.com to get what you're looking for. Now essentially, this website is pretty similar to Foap, and they also have a large collection of diverse high quality and high resolution photos that people come here to buy every single day. You may once again upload photos here to Shutterstock, where you can simply share your photos and begin earning money every day. The best part about this method is that you can upload the same photo to both Shutterstock and Foap. The more websites you sign up for, the more money you will make, because some people will come to Foap to buy your photos, while others will go to Shutterstock to buy them. Using this exact method, we can essentially copy and paste different photographs and generate various types of passive revenue. So, once again, all you have to do is click this button to get started right away, and you'll be taken to this page where you can sign up for a free account. I will show you a handful of websites where you may find and download 100% free high-definition photos as promised. Burst.shopify.com is the name of the website. Now you may choose from a variety of high-quality, high-resolution photographs that are divided into several categories. For instance, there is a section for working from home, women's fitness, and so on. There are many various categories to choose from, all of which are extremely good quality and are completely free. You don't need a credit card and you don't need to put any money down. For example, if I go into this category, it will take me to this page where you can see all of the photographs that you can download with just one click of a button using your phone or your computer. As you can see, there are a lot of different pictures to choose from right now. You can download high resolution or low resolution, but I highly recommend downloading high resolution in order to get paid on different websites. And as always, I'll do my best to help you guys make even more money online, so I decided to give you another option, which is over at PicWizard.com. And you can get different high quality and free stock photos on this website, which has over 1 million different high quality photos and images that you can download for free. So as I promised, you don't need any technical skills and you don't have to create or take any of your own photos. In fact, this is a much smarter and quicker way to do it. Let's say I click on this image right here and it takes me to this page where I can click on any of these. Then you click on download and then save it to your phone or your computer. So as you can see, I've successfully downloaded this image to my computer. The next step is to publish this photo to Shutterstock and Foap.com, where you will be able to start earning royalty commissions and passive money every day. And that's it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.